this is Stamping Songbird, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Waffle Flower Duo Tone Square Stencil. This is a one-piece stencil that creates a pattern of diamonds or squares in two different tones. It's pretty easy to use. So I'm just grabbing a piece of 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 white cardstock and just placing that on a sheet of copy paper just so that I don't sully my workspace. And then I am going to place the stencil right on top and then secure that with some washi tape. I'm using Distress Oxide, Speckled Egg, and Scattered Straw to create my squares. You probably hear some meowing. That's because my kitten is sitting right next to me. So here I just had to decide between Scattered Straw and Mustard Seed, and I chose Scattered Straw. I'm going to use some blending brushes that are just very simple, cheap brushes from Amazon, and start with the Speckled Egg and just cover every single part of those open spaces on this stencil. And I am pretty generous with the ink. I want to make sure that the color is nice and rich. So I do that to every single open square until they are all completely covered in the speckled egg. And of course you could use any color combination with this stencil, and you only need 2. So this is what it looks like when you're done with the first color. You pull off the stencil and you can see the beautiful clean pattern of diamonds. So now to create the duo tone, you're going to place the stencil over the squares that you've already created. So I covered up all the blue squares, and then that allows for open spaces to be next to those blue squares, if that makes any sense. So now you just take your second color, and I'm taking my Scattered Straw, and I am going to just cover up all of the open spaces again, just like I did with the blue. Once you're done, you will have your duo tone squares. Here's what it looks like once you finish. Isn't that cute? I love this Waffle Flower Duo Tone Square Stencil. It's really nice for any kind of background. So since this is just a demonstration on how to use the stencil, I'm going to show you what the background might look like with some images in front of it. This is a Pure Innocence stamped image. This is, these are also Waffle Flower, actually no, those are honeybee stamp dies or honeybee dies, and that's a cone flower. The first one was a sunflower. I have a little image here from Pure Innocence. You could really put anything in front of this background and it'll just make it pop. I hope you enjoyed. Very easy to use. I hope it inspires you to get the Waffle Flower Duo Tone Square Stencil. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, hit that like button. Let me know what you want to see next. Until next time, happy crafting. Bye-bye.